Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So this is a super hot deal at Walmart. 27 cents for a 12 pack of White Cloud toilet paper. Absolutely, yes please and thank you. You're going to need a couple of things. One includes some internet printables and a Checkout 51 account. So on smartsource.com, you're going to have to go to that website. This coupon appeared this afternoon. It's $3 off any White Cloud toilet paper. So you're going to need for this deal to print out either one or two. I'm going to try to get as much as I can, so I'm going to print out two of them. So the store you have to go to, guys, specifically is Walmart, and these toilet papers are $6.27 each. Alternatively, if your Walmart doesn't carry them, there's another deal next week at Walgreens, but still print out the coupon. In your Checkout 51 account, there is this earn $3 back when you buy one of these White Cloud bathroom tissues, and you can do it a limit of up to 2 times. That's why I'm going to do it twice. Now, here's the breakdown, guys. You're going to pick up 2 of those bathroom tissues at the price point of $12.54. You're going to surrender $6 of coupons from smartsource.com. You're going to pay $6.54 out of pocket. You're going to submit for a rebate for $6 back from Checkout 51. The final price point here after your rebate is 54 cents for 2. Now, if you might have clipped that Saving Star rebate for $2 back, I think it was there at the beginning of December or late November. That's an extra $2. So after that $2 rebate from Saving Star, that would be free plus a $1.46 moneymaker. I don't have that rebate anymore, so it's not going to happen for me. But if you might have clipped that like months ago, it's an even bigger moneymaker for you guys. Also to note on the Checkout 51 rebate, it has some very specific verbiage about an in-app coupon that you can't use. Not sure what that's all about, but I'm going to go try out this deal tonight. So if you want to hang tight and wait to see how I do, I will let you guys know either way in the comments or something. But failing it doesn't work for me, you guys still should print out that $3 coupon, because next week I think it's going to be free or close to free at Walgreens. So before that coupon vanishes off the site of smartsource.com, print it out, guys, and I will see you in the next one.